Hello, dear students. I hope you all are well, safe, and sound at home. Myself, Namita Srivastav, welcome you all in online class. Children, today we will discuss English Literature, Lesson 10, The Marvelous Homework and Housework Machine. It is a poem composed by Ken Nesbitt. Children, have you ever wondered how your life would be if you were deprived of every gadget available to you? So, these things we will discuss in this poem. Let's start the poem. So, let's discuss about the poet. Ken Nesbitt was born in 1962 is a renowned American children's poet. He has authored many humorous poetry books. In 2013, he was named Children's Poet Laureate by the Poetry Foundation. His poems deal with humorous situations that children can relate to. Children, would it be impossible to manage your routine work without any gadget? Technology has gifted us with many gadgets that have made our lives comfortable and easy. So let's start the poem. Attention all students, attention all kids. Hold on to your horses, hold on to your lids. We have just exactly the thing that you need whenever you have way too much homework to read. These lines so, the excitement of the speaker who is announcing the arrival of the recently invented the marvelous homework and housework machine. The speaker mentions the various ways in which the machine would help children. He tries to attract their attention in this way. The marvelous homework and housework machine will always make sure that your bedroom is clean. It loves to write book reports 10 pages long, then put all your toys away where they belong. The wonderful machine is here. It cleans your bedroom, completes all your homework, and puts your toys properly where they belong. Children, sometimes we play with our siblings and we leave the toys there only. But what the machine will do? The machine will put all your toys away where they belong. This wonderful gadget will do all your math. Then mop up your messes and go take your bath. The marvelous homework and housework machine is truly like no other gizmo you have seen. This wonderful machine will complete your maths work, wipe the dirty or untidy things, and will go to take bath. Really, it is a very wonderful gadget you have never seen. It hangs up your clothes on their hangers and hooks, then reads all your boring geography books. It brings you a pillow to give you a rest, then brushes your teeth and prepares you for your test. What the machine does? It hangs the clothes on their hangers and hooks. Sometimes we don't want to read, then it will read your boring books. When you want to relax, it will give you a pillow to rest. It can brush your teeth and can prepare your test. This thing is amazing. I am sure you will agree. It feeds you dessert while you are watching TV. There is only one thing this device will not do. It won't eat your Brussels sprouts. They are like PU. But there is only one thing. It is a very amazing thing. The speaker is sure that you all will agree for this machine. When you watch TV, That time it can feed you dessert, but there is only one thing the machine will not do, that is, it won't eat your Brussels sprouts, as they are like PU. PU means awful smell. You can see here this machine. Freedom from tiring homework and boring housework. The marvelous homework and housework machine is here. I hope you all have enjoyed the chapter. So once again, go through the chapter. Keep learning, keep practicing, study well at home. That's all for this video lecture. Thank you so much.